And we are in front of the Knaus Boxlife Pro 600 Lifetime XL 2025 edition with the new Fiat Ducato front chassis, and we shall be entering inside to check if they change something in the complete specs and layout with this fold up on, and we shall be entering to check this new Fiat Ducato 2025 manual air condition, manual gear stick, and this amazing seating where you can put it also aside, and you have also a slide out for a better sitting position all around. On the top part we have the drop down bed for additional 2 sleeping places, and this side 2 cook born and stove with the fridge located down there, and 3 additional cabinets from this part right here, and additional cabinet storage with hang unit right up there, pretty long. Upper part, big cabinet for your cooking storageware, and 4 pretty deep cabinets all around with space also on the upper part. This is actually almost a longitudinal bed, measuring wise right now at about door to door 1.9 from this side, and door to door 1.787 from that side. So you can sleep longitudinally or get to a wider landing for about end to end 1.920. So it's almost 2 meters wide. You can sleep in various positions. And getting to the actual toilet, that work as a toilet, sink, remove this part, and it's not that wide, but you should get pretty comfy. And the bedding fit also up 2 people. Exiting out to get a view on the back side for this Knaus Boxlife XL. This is pretty tall, more than 3 meters, but the great thing is that you can have a lot long of storage space right up back, and I will be measuring that right now. We're looking at about 1.6 at the longest part and about 1.3 at the widest part. Not bad for under 6 meter, almost called a campervan. This is the actual extension. Pretty nice looking Boxlife Pro.